everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the KEMOVE K98 wireless mechanical keyboard. This keyboard aims to deliver a premium experience with its versatile connectivity, customizable features, and focus on both performance and comfort. First impressions are strong. The K98 offers tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and a wired Type-C option. This flexibility is fantastic, allowing seamless switching between devices. The 2.4G mode boasts a 1000 Hz polling rate, which is crucial for competitive gaming, while Bluetooth offers convenience for everyday use. The KEMOVE Diamond switches are a standout feature. These switches are not only hot swappable, supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin options, but they also feature a unique diamond-shaped prism on the switch cover. This design enhances the RGB lighting, creating a visually appealing effect that sets it apart from other keyboards. The pre-lubrication on the switches also provides a smooth and satisfying typing experience right out of the box. The keycaps are made of double-shot PBT, known for their durability and resistance to wear and shine. The red, gray, and black color scheme is stylish and adds a touch of personality to the keyboard. The texture of the PBT keycaps feels great under the fingers, providing a comfortable typing experience even during long sessions. One of the most impressive aspects of the K98 is its focus on noise reduction. The keyboard incorporates multiple layers of silicone padding, including a 2-in-1 switch pad, a sandwich silicone pad, and a 7.9mm cavity silicone pad. These pads effectively dampen typing sounds, resulting in a quieter and more refined typing experience. This is a huge plus for those who work in shared spaces or simply prefer a less noisy keyboard. The K98 features a vibrant and customizable RGB backlight system. A neon RGB light strip is embedded on the side of the keyboard, adding an extra layer of visual flair. The keyboard also supports a music rhythm function, syncing the lighting effects with your audio. The full key LED and side neon RGB colors can be customized through the software, allowing you to create a personalized lighting setup. The keyboard is fully programmable, with 4 profile layers and macro recording capabilities. The intuitive driver software allows you to customize macros, RGB lighting effects, and function keys to suit your specific needs. The K98 also supports in-key rollover and KRO, ensuring that every key press is registered accurately, even when pressing multiple keys simultaneously. The KEMOVE K98 is equipped with a removable 4000 mAh battery, offering a long-lasting wireless experience. The detachable battery cover makes it easy to replace the battery when needed. The battery also features NTC temperature control protection, ensuring safe and reliable operation. KEMOVE claims up to 90 hours of battery life with the RGB lighting turned off, and around 8 hours of continuous use with the RGB lighting enabled. Overall, the KEMOVE K98 is a well-rounded wireless mechanical keyboard that offers a premium typing and gaming experience. Its versatile connectivity, customizable features, focus on noise reduction, and long-lasting battery make it a compelling option for anyone looking for a high-quality keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.